Yoga is not just for fixing your back. Did you know that yoga can actually fix your gaze and also your vision? It can help in dealing with problems like hypermetropia and myopia. Take a look.
If we have issues with the eyes, then instead of asanas, we need to go and take help of pranayamas. We should not do physical practices when we have eye issues until unless you are healed. So it's mandatory to take that doctor advice whether you are ready for the asanas or not. Once you are in that recovery mode, or you feel that you need the help of yogic practices. So the concept for eye is blood should move naturally, holistically towards your upper body. Asanas like Padottanasana, this asana will help you. Asana like Sarvangasana, very helpful. And then Halasana. So combination of these three asanas, they have a wonderful impact on our eyes, all sensory.
While you certainly need the help of a doctor in dealing with these eye problems, but these exercises can help in dealing with these problems to a great extent.